old junk of the hole we dug to build that little bitty barn. 9,000 tons. That's 18 million pounds of clay we put on that barn pad right there. We are hauling junk, old barn, black footer over there where that silo is. We're just putting it in the hole because we got the hole there and he wants it cleaned up. The old Moxie truck comes through again. Yeah, we got cows. The owner's opening the gates for me, so I don't have to crawl in and out of here every time. 4 gates to get there. It easy as we can. These big old foundation chunks is all this is. We tried to break them up best we could. Doesn't matter, we just want them to come out of the truck. Other than that, it doesn't matter. Building, tin and concrete, dirt, a lot of trees. We got a fence row. An old silo barn. Was going to tear the silo down, but said it's going to keep it. So. Get all this cleaned up, I'm going to bring the dozer over here, fill in where the footer was, and then pile the brush up and they'll burn it. Put it in the truck. clean up and sweep up every little bit. I don't have a hydraulic thumb on that. I'd like to have one, but we're doing just fine like it is. We have to fold it down when we need it. It's aggravating part there. It takes about 10 minutes. And here's a view of the barn after he got started on it about 3 or 4 weeks ago. Kind of got the frame up. You can tell the weeds have grown up down in our pit area, but he's making some pretty good progress. And now he got the sides of the metal on. He had trouble getting the roof metal, so he had to put the sides on first, and he's got to wait a week or two to get but that is one heck of a building. 200 feet long, 70 feet wide, just an open arena. We are trying to pump this hole out. Never thought it would ever hold water. We got all that clay. Now we want to cover it up, and it's full of water. So we thought, well, here's the sinkhole where all the water goes from this whole area around here. Always has. So we started pumping and it was backing up. So we're gonna clean it out a little bit. I'm hoping all the sediment from where we built on this thing and washed down in there kind of stopped it up. There's a rock. We get to a rock ledge, there's a sinkhole here. We get to a rock ledge, it'll go away. All this water in this whole area right through here. And we have not messed with this hole till today, because I didn't want to mess with it. I wanted to continue taking water, but we're at the spot now. We're just going to have to see what happens. We still got our thumb down from cleaning up the barn site the other day. What it was fixing to do, it was backing up in this ground right here. It was going to go around and come right back in our hole again. That's why we decided we better dig this out and see if we can open it up. We're building a pond on the other side of the county. Built on it for a year. Compacted clay, collected 1 million tons of clay. And we can't hardly get it to hold water. We come over here and dig in a rock pit and it's holding water. Ain't that the way it is? Well, this is the job I got on, and we got into some more rock than we needed to, so I hired this boy to come in with a rock saw. And that's the way you need to handle rock in a ditch. And then on this one, we had two big, huge 7,000 pound chunks of concrete we had to do something with. So we had to move them. So this is the only way I knew to get them off the site. Just bust them up and haul them away. And as usual, we appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thank you.